Listen up, you lot. This isn't some amateur cooking show where we load up on sugar and regret. We're talking about proper fuel, the kind that keeps you going strong all day long. See, healthy snacking, it's not rocket science. It's about ditching the processed garbage and treating your body right. We're talking about real whole foods that give you energy, not an energy crash that leaves you reaching for more junk. So get ready to ditch the crisps and chocolate, because I'm about to show you some bloody brilliant snack ideas that are not only good for you, but they taste damn delicious too. We've got yogurt, we've got veggies, we've got nuts. Get your notepads ready because class is in session. Alright, you want a snack that's going to fuel your body and keep you satisfied? Look no further. We're diving into a classic that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. We're starting with Greek yogurt. This isn't just any yogurt. It's thick, creamy, and packed with goodness. Not that sugary rubbish. We're talking about the real deal, full of protein to keep you full and build those muscles. It's the perfect base for our snack. Now, we're not serving this plain, you donkey. We're going to elevate it with some fantastic toppings. We're adding some fresh berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever you fancy. These berries are not just for color. They bring a burst of flavor and a ton of health benefits. These little beauties are packed with antioxidants, fighting off those nasty free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining your health and keeping your skin glowing, and for a touch of natural sweetness, a drizzle of honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that adds a lovely flavor without the need for processed sugars. Just a touch, mind you, we don't want to overdo it. Moderation is key to keeping this snack healthy and balanced. Now here's the thing about Greek yogurt, it's not just about the protein and the taste. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's got these live and active cultures, probiotics they call them. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. They're like little warriors in your gut, keeping everything in check. They help balance the good and bad bacteria, ensuring your digestive system runs smoothly. Trust me, a healthy gut is a happy gut. When your gut is in good shape, it positively impacts your overall well-being. And a happy gut means a happier you. You'll feel more energetic, your mood will improve, and you'll be ready to take on the day. So, get that yogurt in you. It's a simple, delicious, and nutritious way to fuel your body and keep you feeling great throughout the day. Enjoy every spoonful and know you're doing something good for yourself. Next up, we're tackling those cravings for something crunchy. But we're not reaching for the crisps, no way. We're going for veggie sticks with hummus. Carrots, celery, cucumber, bell peppers, whatever you've got in the fridge, slice them up into sticks. These bad boys are packed with fiber, which keeps things moving, if you know what I mean. And for dipping, we've got hummus. Made from chickpeas, this stuff is a powerhouse of protein and flavor. Forget the bland dips. Hummus is where it's at. Now, I know what you're thinking. Veggies? For a snack? But trust me, this isn't rabbit food. This is a snack that's going to fill you up, give you energy, and not leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. So ditch the junk food and get dipping. Chapter 3. Apple slices with almond butter. A match made in snack heaven. Now for a snack that's both sweet and satisfying, we're going for apple slices with almond butter. This combination is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a classic combination that's both delicious and nutritious. Apples provide a crisp, refreshing bite, while almond butter adds a creamy, rich texture. Apples, they're not just for keeping the doctor away. These fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. They're full of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. The fiber in apples also aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. And the almond butter, it's packed with healthy fats, protein, and flavor. These healthy fats are essential for brain health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Now don't go using that processed peanut butter loaded with sugar. Processed peanut butter often contains added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and other unhealthy additives. We're talking about natural almond butter, the kind that's made with just almonds. This type of almond butter retains all the natural nutrients and flavors of the almonds. This snack is perfect for when you're craving something sweet but don't want to sabotage your healthy eating. It's a guilt-free indulgence that satisfies your sweet tooth without the added sugars and empty calories. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. This makes it an excellent choice for a mid-morning or afternoon snack, or even a post-workout treat. So next time you're reaching for a sugary snack, try this instead. You won't be disappointed. Not only will you enjoy the delightful taste, but you'll also be nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Give it a try and make it a staple in your snack rotation. Chapter 4, Mixed Nuts and Seeds, a handful of goodness. Alright, you want a snack that's easy, portable, and packed with nutrition? Look no further than mixed nuts and seeds. But we're not talking about those pre-packaged mixes loaded with salt and unhealthy fats. We're talking about a custom blend of almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, the good stuff. These little powerhouses are bursting with heart-healthy fats, protein, and vitamins. Now, a word of caution. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so watch your portions. A small handful is all you need to tide you over until your next meal. Get creative with your mixes. Add some dried fruit for a touch of sweetness, or some spices for an extra kick. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5, Smoothie with Spinach and Banana. A green machine you'll actually crave. Let's be honest, sometimes you need a snack that's quick and easy to make. Whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or need a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, a smoothie can be the perfect solution. That's where this smoothie comes in. It's not just any smoothie, it's a green machine that's both nutritious and delicious. We're talking about a green machine that's packed with nutrients and tastes damn delicious. It's the kind of smoothie that makes you feel good about what you're putting into your body. We're starting with a handful of spinach. Spinach is a fantastic base for any green smoothie because it's mild in flavor and blends seamlessly with other ingredients. Don't turn your nose up, you won't even taste it, I promise. The other ingredients will mask the spinach flavor, leaving you with a smoothie that's both tasty and nutritious. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins and minerals. It's rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K, making it an excellent choice for boosting your daily nutrient intake. Next up, a banana for sweetness and creaminess. Bananas are not only delicious but also provide a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And for a boost of protein and healthy fats, we're adding some almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that's low in calories and has a subtle, nutty flavor. You can use any milk you like, but almond milk is low in calories and has a neutral flavor. It's also a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And finally, a handful of frozen berries for antioxidants and a burst of flavor. Berries are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and you've got yourself a snack that's as good for you as it tastes. This smoothie is perfect for any time of day and can be customized with your favorite ingredients. Enjoy your green machine and feel the difference it makes in your energy levels and overall well-being. There you have it, you lot. 5 healthy snack ideas that are delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. Remember, snacking shouldn't be about deprivation. It's about fueling your body with the good stuff. Now, here's a tip plan ahead. If you know you're going to be out and about, pack a healthy snack to avoid making bad choices when hunger strikes. Keep your fridge and pantry stocked with healthy options so you're always prepared. And don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different flavor combinations and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to find healthy snacks that you enjoy eating. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, cooking doesn't have to be a nightmare. Now get in the kitchen and start snacking, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes.